In today's video, we're looking at Waltenhofer's pendulum. This is a version of Lenz law using a pendulum with a non-ferromagnetic material in a magnetic field. I've got the demountable transformer kit with pole pieces, so there's a gap between them for the pendulum to swing. I've got it connected via an ammeter so I can monitor the current, and I've connected the coils so that I have a north pole on one side, south pole on this side, and a north pole on the other side. If I swing the pendulum and then turn the current on, the pendulum comes to a stop quicker than it normally would. So it continues swinging longer. If we don't have the current on, put the current on, it has a braking effect. We can swap the solid pendulum for one with slots in it. And even with the current on, there isn't a braking effect with that one. There does seem to be a bit, but there shouldn't be. No, not much of a braking effect. So I've got the coils wired up in parallel. I've arranged the terminals on this side so that I get a north pole and a south pole, so we have a magnetic field going across. By the way, sorry about the wobbly picture. I have an issue with my phone camera at the moment. One of the reasons I wasn't going to make any more videos, but someone asked a question about setting this up. So that's Waltenhofer's pendulum, a Lenz law type braking effect.